How to setting date and time on Infinix Smart 9. Okay, so let's get started. In the first step, you can go to the setting menu, and then you can scroll down and you can tap on the system menu, and you can select on the date and time. And in this option, actually you can set into the auto set time. So usually the time and date will be set automatically according to the network. And if you want to select manually, you can disable this option and you can select on the date setting. You can setting the date like this and you can tap on OK, and then you can select on the time like this. Tap on OK. And if you want to setting the 24-hour format, you can disable this option and enable this option. And for the time zone, you can enable this option if you are setting your date and time into the auto set by network. But if you do not setting into the auto set, you can disable also on the set time zone like this. Okay, so that is how to set the time and date on Infinix Smart 9. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.